Hi, this is Tracy with One Girl in a Box, and today I basically have an unboxing to do for you. A couple of weeks ago I went over to the Smile Direct Club and scheduled my 3D appointment, and then I went into Smile Direct Club. I got my 3D scan, talked to a really nice person there. I think her name was like Chloe, and pretty much roped myself into getting invisible braces at my age that I am now. I have some crooked teeth in the top, and then I have some crowding on the bottom here. And it's always bothered me, but you know, I've just figured I'm getting older, and if I'm gonna do something now, I'm mature enough and committed enough to actually stay with it. I won't be doing this until July, at least not with my Invisalign on. So I got my box day before yesterday, and I've been waiting until today, Friday evening, that is after I ate dinner, to open it up and get into it. So let me bring on my cousin's favorite color. The Smile Direct Club box, beautiful purple. So it's open for a lifetime supply of confidence. So figure if you don't have confidence, straight teeth aren't gonna give it to you, but whatever. So in here we have the Bright On, kind of like some little welcome pamphlets in here, and show off your smile, la 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 la. Oh, they want you to go onto the Instagram feed and take a video of that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. We have some chewies. So I guess when you put the aligners in order to seat them, you kind of put this in and around to kind of like make them fit better. We have a Smile Direct Club little purple case for when you take them out. So that way I put them in here instead of wrapping them up in a piece of tissue or paper towel, which I would so totally do. And then I throw that away, and there we go that. We have this little tool. It says, oh, it's called an Audi tool. And I guess this is to kind of like pull the aligners down to help get them out. We'll see how that works. What else do we have in here? We have some Truth to Grin By, and it's like a little, oh gosh, what do they call that? Pull tabs when you go to the bar? I think I've only done it a couple of times. So Truth to Grin By. If you have only one smile in you, give it to the people you love. Maya Angelou. Isn't that awesome? So there's that. And then we have some Bright On, oh, teeth brightener. Oh, that's right, tooth brightener. So I like this little thing that you put in your mouth. It's like this little iridescent blue thing that you put in your mouth. I guess you put this on your teeth, help brighten your teeth, and you put that in for like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. And you spit out the excess, you wait 20 minutes, you drink. So I did read the directions on this, I forgot about that. And I have one upstairs actually. And then the Smile Direct Club little lip pomade, in a little ball like that. Oh, smells good. And then down here, what else do we have? We have the Welcome to the Club card. Your smile journey starts now. Club perks, warranty information. Contact them within 30 days, and okay, all right. If you don't like it and you've done everything that you were supposed to do, I guess you can get your money back. I'll have to read that more. And then this is the Smile Stretcher. So when I was in the office, they took like the 3D scans with this device that kind of goes around your teeth. It's really cool. It looks like Blender, basically, because that's what it is. And then they put this thing in your mouth so it opens up your mouth really wide so you can actually see your teeth, like the fronts and the sides. So I guess I'll have to put this in, I think it was at 90 days, and do that. So then down here we have the aligners, and you pull out the days that you want So I would be starting with month 1, week 1. How many are in here? Month 1, week 1. Oh, look, this whole thing comes out. And I guess these are, I'm just gonna show you. These are all my liners right here. So it's time to order your retainer. Look, so when I get here, it's time to order the retainer. And then still have all these other weeks and stuff to go. So I don't know how many there are here. I'm gonna count that since I pulled them out, and then I'll put them back in. It's a cute little box. It's basically like you just pull it out, you rip one off, and you put the tab down, and I'll stick it someplace where I can have easy access to it, and I'll keep it going. This is gonna be a challenge. I'm an all-day grazer, and I vape, and I drink wine when I come home, and I drink coffee at work because I don't think that they'll let me drink wine at work. Bummer, I know, it sucks. So I have like a really big life change to do with these aligners. So I just wanted to come on and kind of show everyone my new Smile Direct package, and just kind of show you what comes in the package. Thanks for watching. Bye.